How to log in into Discord in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Discord on laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, head over to your preferred browser and there type in www.discord.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. If you have already installed the Discord application, you could simply open up the application, get into login prompt, and then log in. But if you want to log in via their website, you will land on this kind of interface now. Click on the login button at the top right corner. That's gonna take you to its login prompt. So once you're here, you have to enter your email or phone number that is associated with your Discord account. So type in your email or phone number. Under that, enter your correct password. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link right here that says forgot your password, and that's going to help you recover your password. Once you have recovered, you can now log in. Or if you are already logged in into your Discord account in your mobile device, you could simply scan this QR code as displayed on this interface, and that will instantly log you into your Discord account. So once you're done entering your phone number or email and password, all you have to do is click on login button, and if you have entered your correct login credential, you will be logged in into your Discord account on your laptop. That's it. That's how you can log in into Discord account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.